Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the garage. Select the bus and open the service menu, then pick cleaning. Start by removing loose trash and passenger items because debris blocks vacuums and slows progress. Next, initiate the exterior wash action. This triggers the water jets and soap cycle. Make sure to watch the progress bar so you don't interrupt the sequence. Once the wash starts, stay attentive to prompts. Some buses need a second pass on heavily soiled areas. Now focus on the interior. Use the vacuum tool along aisles and under seats to remove crumbs and grit. This improves passenger comfort and avoids stains. After vacuuming, switch to the cloth or mop tool and wipe windows, dashboard, and handrails. Clean glass improves visibility and safety. Then apply the sanitizer spray to handles and seats. This reduces the chance of complaints. Make sure to follow tool cooldowns and tool-specific animations because rushing can leave areas partially cleaned. To finish, run the final exterior rinse and quick dry to avoid streaks and water spots. Drying also prevents sensor errors. Do a walk-around inspection. Check tires, lights, mirrors, and paint for missed grime or damage. If everything looks good, return the bus to active service or depot. If the cleaning job fails or grime persists, cancel the job, restart the cleaning sequence, or reload the vehicle. This often clears stuck animations or progress bugs and forces a fresh cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.